Hi you guys, and today I am filming my Hornby train set, West Coast Highlander. And in the next video I'll be filming my Santa's Express, and this video also will go onto my new channel. So here we are. Give me tips what to call my new channel, because it's going to be about trains. So I'm thinking about Postmaster Cabin with model trains or something. So please comment down below, and let's get on with the show. Also have a little level crossing. Oh, Steve Aord. Two of us do this. Oh shit. Okay guys, I'll just quickly put it back on the... It is back onto the roll now, I think. Yep, so here it is. If you saw that thing pop up, just ignore it. I'm not sure if you did, but and this is the starters one. Well, not exactly starters, but Santa's Express one is, or like a little treat for Christmas. Okay, I'll show it you. Then I'll show you how it goes backwards and forwards. Okay, so I'll just get it off the track. Here we are. So firstly, here is the West Coast Highlander. Here is the West Coast Highlander. Sorry if you can't see, guys. Views here. Don't know what that means. Probably West Coast Highlander. We've also got some of its carriages here. Ignore them downstairs. Here is my gated level crossing. If you can see, goats move in and out. You see? In and out. And add this for Christmas. This video will also be on my new channel. So comment down below. And shout out to West Coast, no, but South Coast level crossings, and another shout out to Dave and Ben Marsh, and also in my new channel, I'll do unboxing videos with my trains, track and everything. Okay, so see you again soon in another epic video. See you again soon.